We're just months away from the Galaxy S25 launch, and the rumors are heating up. Today, we're talking about Samsung's choice of system on chip. Will they stick with Snapdragon or go all in on Exynos? Let's dive in and find out. Before we dive into the Galaxy S25, let's quickly recap the Galaxy S24. The Ultra model opted for Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while other models outside the US got the Exynos 2400. But what about the Galaxy S25? Will Samsung follow a similar path or switch things up? Recent leaks suggest the entire Galaxy S25 lineup may fully embrace Snapdragon. According to Korean outlet Hangkyung, Samsung plans to exclusively feature Qualcomm's next-generation flagship Snapdragon chipset in the Galaxy S25. But what does this mean for Exynos fans? The collaboration with Qualcomm on the Snapdragon HN4 for Galaxy chipsets is all about enhancing the Galaxy S25's AI capabilities. The report also reveals that a specialized Snapdragon HN4 for Galaxy chip is currently under development, specifically designed for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus might get standard Snapdragon HN4 chips, marking a significant shift from Samsung's usual approach. What does this mean for performance and power management? Meanwhile, Samsung is focusing on enhancing the yield and performance of the Exynos 2500 chip, initially expected to feature in some Galaxy S25 models. But here's the twist: reports suggest Samsung might incorporate the Exynos 2500 into the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 7 and Fold S, set to debut in late 2025. Has Samsung finally found a use for Exynos in its foldable devices? Notably, Samsung has never used an Exynos chip in its foldable devices. Remember the incorrect claims about the Exynos 2400 in the Galaxy Z Flip 6? It launched with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip instead. Now, it's time to ask the million-dollar question: would you pay a premium for a Snapdragon-powered Galaxy S25? With Qualcomm's Snapdragon HN4 expected to come at a higher price point than the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the Galaxy S25 series could face challenges beyond performance, battery life, and features. Is the promise of premium power worth the extra cost? If Samsung exclusively uses Snapdragon processors in the Galaxy S25 series, pricing could be negatively impacted. With the launch still a few months away, we can expect more rumors and speculation about Samsung's chip choices. Will the benefits of Snapdragon justify the potential price hike? So, what do you think? Share your thoughts on the potential premium pricing of the Snapdragon Galaxy S25 in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. We'll keep you updated on the latest developments. Until then, take care.